This particular challenge from SAS is actually a real-world challenge for SAS. SAS has over 25 professional certifications, and so these are corporate customers usually send their employees to get professionally certified. We want our people taking our exams to pass at a certain rate. And this particular challenge was defining an exam where we could look at history of the questions on the exam and design a fair exam.
I think this format allows teams to work together under the similar types of conditions that we work with in the real world. We do have time constraints. We do not have forever. In fact, time is probably our #1 constraint. And funding's often there, but teams are often moving to other things and have multiple priorities. So the time constraint here for this type of competition, and also the nature of the chosen topic, is again very similar, that people will be given a topic to work on and then use their best resources to come up with a solution. There was also the aspect of people having the chance, for example, to do the same certification exam, also look at the same type of technology. So part of the goals of this competition, again, important for the undergraduate or graduate students that might not see this in their coursework, is to actually use some of these upskilled technologies, not just learn about them, but actually have the chance to use them.
The solutions presented in this competition, there were a number of times today as I was judging the competition where I was kind of messaging my coworkers saying, hey, guess what we're doing on Monday? We're taking this screenshot that I just screenshotted from this presentation and actually putting into practice in our actual solutions. And I was just impressed. I've been to AI conferences all around the world, and to see the caliber of presentations here and the creativity of solutions. Even one presentation I said, hey, you should probably publish this if you haven't yet. The teams that won this year at Data for Good, there was really a clear application of the entire life cycle of a data science or analytics project, showing really clear underpinnings to the business and analytical problem all the way through to model lifecycle management. And I think that clear, organized methodology is something that was common to the top teams, along with the sort of resolve to work through issues and not ignore some of maybe the peculiarities when working with these large language models or some of the data that was involved.